is crazy.
Tell them to check a leg.
What's good, Auto Gang? Y'all see it. Got a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Looking lovely drop. About to get ready to mount it up on some 24s. 295, 35, 24. Bad boy dropping everything. So y'all know what it is. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe for them car show vibes, you hear me? So man, these are the Dome Mustang. They looking clean, yeah. Stop playing, ooh. That boy look good. God damn, that bitch got some kick, boy. And your nuts is right there, them has been squat.
That shit scared the fuck out of me.
Got the bar can and cam, you hear me?
Yeah. Look up, boy.
Boy, ain't sweating today, smooth criminal. What the Instagram? What the Instagram is? Drop the Instagram. Let them know where you at.
There's some big booty bitch. Don't be talking about some shit, son. All right. I'm fucking with it now. I'm fucking with it. Say we can do it again though. Look at my haircut.
Dang, y'all make sure y'all tap in with my dude Ren, you hear me?
I'm about to get a knife.
Yeah, every time the camera come on, nigga can't even forgot how to mount a tire.
Can't cut. I don't want to cut it, so man. God damn, it ain't cool. You don't know how to cut, son. You gotta put a pressure with the knife, son.
Oh man, dang. Yeah, he can't cut the plastic. Yeah, wait. I'm playing. He can mount that tire though. He can't cut the plastic, but he can mount that tire.
Had me nervous for a second.
As soon as you bring the camera out there,
like he never working.
call him lawn chair, he fold up.
You stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
Hey, that's the word of the day. Stay ready. You hear me? Stay ready. At first I thought I was gonna be able to pull it in, so he ain't sitting too low.
Smoking on some good weed, man. Nigga about the gas.
Whoa, hey, you creative there. That little dick.
I feel like I'm with him.
Put it in the Chevy Silverado.
Thinking about the foes and how that shit happened. Feel like yesterday we was loading all the hammers, shooting ratchets till they clink, but thinking it's a game. Your life is something that be careful on the moves you make. You met that bitch, you gotta land the nigga. You're not a soldier, them demons taking you with them. Remember eating noodles on my plate for dinner. Now I'm in different states, picking steak off the menu. This Cali scene different, damn this weed hitting. Feel like I'm on the move, skipping, still a blow this blicky. Reminiscing about my niggas, got me in my feelings. This shit get lonely at the top, looking at the competition. I get it in any league. If I cut you, this is business. Get up early morning, just to chase the bread. friend. Told my bitch no question what I do, you always straight. I'm doing 100 and a 60 fucking ticket. There ain't no speed limit when you chasing at these millions. I laugh at niggas who think they lit cause they got a blick. I know some niggas that'll blitz with 30s and they switch. You get wrapped like a gift for presenting that shit. I spent plenty nights on that strip, getting off zip. I got the dollar in a dream, now it's time to make a flip. Playing ring around the roads with these hoes. Never press about the pussy, I'm the G to the code. But you already know, spitting bars over their head like the flights I be on. Hop off, L sharp, they hit the dispensaries. Let me get that and that. Spent the rack of weed, ain't gotta stress about that. When they question how I flex, I tell them invest. Gotta bet it all on yourself, you want the check. Ain't gotta question what I tell the streets is needed. Never post on social media, my achievements.
You know, I'm one of the ones.
40 or 45?
Back. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't never give up. Lost my sister. This shit. From here on out, this shit for them. Yeah.
Boy, you take that fan out, it changed different, boy.
Huh?
After you take the big fan out, it changed different. Like you're working in a sauna. Son cooking me like I work at Benny Hunter. Alright, we at the balancing stage where every time you take the tire off, put the tire on, use tire on, whatever the case is, you make sure you're going to balance your tires. So, get your specs. It's going to tell you got hit on wicks, but obviously we're not hitting. But I'm hoping they ain't trying to copyright it. Never put the waves on it. Programming these sensors. You sitting right, gang. Now once you program your sensors, you come back, you start your vehicle up. And you have different TPMS processes, so some of them you can start the vehicle up, go to the dash. Some of them they don't have required sensors. Some of them you gotta scan them all the way around and go back and connect it to the OBD port. Next means so now I'm in tire liner mode. And with this, I'm gonna go to these tires. And every sensor's gonna hump. the final honk, it's gonna honk multiple times to let you know it's verified. And that's how we know you're all good to go. And you come in and check your air pressure, check your PSI, and you can see everything is reading, and we good to go. If they ain't talking to wheels, don't pull off. You might lose a wheel. Johnny on the spot, calling for some wheels. You hear me? Easy on the spot. You hit me about them wheels. (2015) Chevy Silverado. No rubbing. Yo, peep the Hyundai, stop playing. What y'all think? What y'all think? Holding on the wheels.